Hi everyone. Well, we're going to look at research in week 3 here. Now, last week we looked at how to do reflective writing, which is something we're going to be doing all semester in all of our projects. You really need to practice with it. That's why we do one every week or so you can practice. So for week 3, we're looking at research is what? And research in academia or on a professional level is not just coming up with an idea, finding 5 sources that support your idea, and then saying, done. Research in academia on a professional level is finding out what is the conversation on this topic, who's saying what about this topic, where are the different ideas on this topic, because publications either on a blog or a website or in academic journals or professional magazines, these are experts in the field talking to each other about it, getting ideas. That's how you make new knowledge. You talk about ideas, the ideas become accepted. Okay, so that's what we're going to be looking at. First, I want you to take a look again at Project 1, our AI-generated reference list. And here's the assignment description in the video that goes with it. Instead of you, and I'm trying this out this year, you going out and looking, hunt and peck through databases, trying to find something on a topic, we're going to use one of the modern tools available, which is an AI, and we're going to use Gemini AI. And so by this time, you should have a free Google Gemini account. That way it'll save all of your searches for you. And for the Project 1, we're going to create the 10 source reference list in APA formatting in any research area you want. This is an example of the AI prompt you can use, and you're going to write a reflection on what you learned. But we're not doing that for week 3. No, week 3, we're just looking at what is research. Well, there's 2 types of research. There's library research and there's empirical research. Empirical research is what you say scientists do. They do an experiment, they're looking at what the results are, and then they're writing up the results, or it's a direct or indirect observation of something. So, okay, we're not doing that, because to do that really at an academic level, you have to get approval from the Institutional Review Board. It keeps track of this because you have to protect all the vulnerable subjects. Okay, so we don't do that. We do library research, which is you're going out and you're finding out what the conversation is on this topic. And there's 3 types of sources of this. There's primary, which is somebody's who's actually at the event and they're writing about it, or a research article. There's secondary. Well, somebody has done a lot of work, a lot of research, found this original research, and they're writing about it. And it's a synthesis of primary information. Tertiary, well, that synthesizes the secondary sources. Tertiary would be like your textbook, okay? So we are, like I said, this semester we're using AI as the tool to begin this research, to find this research. And this helps you think of, oh, okay, the formatting. Well, it has to be an APA 7th edition. And what is out there? Is this a book? Is this a magazine? Is it a blog? What do I have? Primary, secondary, tertiary sources. Okay? So what are we going to do for this week? Well, we're going to step back a little bit and look at just what research is. And here are readings. Again, scholarship is a conversation. It is people or experts talking back and forth to each other. This is put out by the Library Association, Association of College Research Librarians. And as a note, if you ever have any doubts, you need help, you're stuck on research, go to Bell Library, walk in there and say, can I talk to a research librarian? These people love to research. Find somebody that you're happy with. Find out what kind of coffee they like, what kind of treat they like from Starbucks, take to them. They'll work with you in the library, online, whatever. They love to research. That's what their deal is, okay? So don't be afraid to ask them for help, all right? So for this week, we're going to read all about what research is. This is what research is. This is why we do research. And then, again, you're going to do a Driscoll reflection, just like you did for week 2. The introduction, the what, so what, now what, conclusion, and then respond to another student. Okay, that's the assignment. Here are, again, the time frame, criteria, whatever. Again, if you have any questions about Project 1, post them in the extra credit so you can get extra credit. Okay, short lecture today. So keep on keeping on. And as always, if you have any questions, just shoot me an email. Bye.